If you've ever wanted to speed up your editing workflow in Premiere Pro, learning how to copy and paste keyframes is one of the simplest tricks that can save you a ton of time. Instead of recreating the same motion, opacity, scale, or audio changes over and over again, you can reuse keyframes in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to copy and paste keyframes in Premiere Pro step by step, whether you're using Windows or Mac. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and make sure your project is loaded. Then go up to the top menu and open the Effect Controls panel by clicking Window and then Effect Controls. This panel is where you'll see all the editable attributes for the selected clip, including motion, opacity, scale, position, rotation, and any other applied effects that contain keyframes. Next, click on the clip in your timeline that already has the keyframes you want to copy. As soon as you select the clip, you'll be able to see its attributes in the Effect Controls panel. If the clip has keyframes applied, they'll appear there in the timeline area inside the panel. Now comes the important part. To copy keyframes, you first need to select them. You can do this in a couple of different ways. If you want to select multiple keyframes at once, click and drag a selection box around the keyframes you want. This is a fast way to grab a group of keyframes together. If you only want to select certain keyframes, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click on each keyframe individually. Once selected, the keyframes will turn blue, which tells you they're ready to be copied. Make sure you've selected exactly the keyframes you want, because whatever is highlighted is what Premiere Pro will copy. After your keyframes are selected, use the Copy shortcut. Press Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on Mac. That copies the selected keyframes to your clipboard. Now move the playhead to the exact point where you want the new keyframes to begin. This is very important because the pasted keyframes will start based on the playhead position, so place it carefully for the timing you want. Once the playhead is in the right spot, paste the keyframes using Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. Premiere Pro will paste the copied keyframes into the new location, keeping their timing and values relative to where you place the playhead. And that's it. You've now successfully copied and pasted keyframes in Premiere Pro. This is a great technique for repeating animations, matching transitions, and speeding up repetitive edits without having to rebuild everything manually. Once you get used to it, this shortcut can save you a huge amount of time on every project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Premiere Pro tutorials, editing shortcuts, and practical workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.